Hello everyone, welcome to ixamBee. So as you already know, the IBPS released the notification for this year and there are 203 vacancies for IT officer. In this video, I am going to talk about the two very important topics related to IBPS SO. The first, we will discuss the salary structure of IBPS IT officer, and second, we will look at the official exam dates. So if you are preparing for this exam, make sure to watch this video till the end. And yes, before we begin, here is the bit of motivation. These are the selections for IBPS SO 2024 from the ixamBee. And we have also mentored many successful candidates who cracked the exams like SEBI, RBI and NABARD. So let's begin with the biggest motivation, that is salary. So as an IBPS SO IT officer, you will start from the scale 1 and the basic pay for scale 1 position, it is 48,480 rupees, and there is a DA which is approx 10,000, and HRA, you will get the HRA, or you can say that the lease rent, it is 7, 8 or 9%. It depends on the city or the location you are posted on. Then the lease accommodation will be ranging from the 8,000 to 24,000, and there is a special allowance based on the basic pay, so it is 16.4% of your basic pay. And other than this, you will get the city compensatory allowance and the learning allowance. Other than this salary, candidate will also get petrol allowance, cleaning allowance, newspaper allowance, mobile bill reimbursement on a monthly basis, and the medical allowance on an annually basis, entertainment allowance on an annual basis. Other than this, you will get the bag purchase allowance, mobile purchase allowance once in 3 years. Also, you will get LFC in every 3 or 4 years depending upon your bank policy. So overall, the gross salary for IBPS SO IT officer will be around 80,000 per month, and the net salary will be ranging from 65 to 75,000 per month. CTC is around 13 to 14 lakh per annum. Also, there will be a job security and the government perks. And if you are talking about the career growth in IBPS SO IT officer, so you will enter at this phase in scale 1, and gradually you are gaining the experience in the bank. You can promote to the scale 2, then scale 3, scale 4, 5, 6. It means you have a chance to reach up to the GM level in the bank. So this is a very good opportunity from the career perspective too. Now let's talk about the exam date. So online registration for this exam is already being started from the July 1st and will be closing on the 21st July. And the prelims exam is scheduled for August 2025 and the mains exam is scheduled for November 2025. Then interview will be conducted in the December or in January, and the provisional allotment will be provided by the January or February. So that was all about the IBPS SO salary and the exam dates. I hope now you have a clarity on what kind of career you are expecting after clearing this exam, in both the terms like in income and the career ladder. So if you have not applied for this exam, please apply as soon as possible. Don't wait for the deadline. We are also providing an online course in which you will get the video lessons, study notes, practice questions, chapter test, section test, mock test, also a live doubt sessions. So this will be the pedagogy strategy to prepare for this exam. Also, we have expert sessions, and the mock test we are providing will give you an exam hall mode feel. So this is all about this video and the online course. So if you have any doubt, I am conducting a workshop on 11th July related to IBPS SO preparation strategy. So you can join. It is a free workshop. So the link for the workshop will be mentioned in the description below. You can check out there. So don't waste your time and start preparing. Thank you. Prepare 50% faster with ixamBee.